So it's so good to see you. It's Friday. It's the end of the week. We're going into a weekend. And I see a couple of people already joining us. Actually, I need to bring up my Instagram chat. I just remembered I didn't enable that. So let me enable that on this stream very quickly. But it's so good to see all of you, and just keep on going here with my my streak of streams that I'm doing here. My aim is to do 100 streams over the next couple of months. So, we're slowly getting there. But yeah, just really grateful that I'm going to be able to spend some time with all of you. So as all of you know, I like to start off with my global roll call. I always like to hear the city, state, country that you're from. I love traveling. I've been very, very fortunate to be able to travel quite a bit. So it's always nice to see where the parts of the world that where I can find other fellow data scientists. And also it helps keep the chat inclusive. That way everybody can feel like they can participate in some way. So I'm seeing people on Instagram. Please don't be shy about introducing yourself. And as always, I also like, while I give you guys time to, check in and let me know where you're from,